Hello everyone, this is Rudra Surgical from Mumbai, India. Today I am going to explain about laparoscopic clip applicator 90 degree. It is made by stainless steel material. This instrument you can use in real surgeries multiple times. These instruments are reusable and autoclavable. This laparoscopic clip applicator 90 degree is a specialized surgical tool used during laparoscopic surgery to apply clips for tissues management such as occluding blood vessels, bile ducts or other structures. The 90 degree part of the tool refers to its angle design, allowing the surgeons to access areas that are difficult to reach through a small incision. For more detail, contact us. Thank you.